Yo no quiero que veas como yo te vi, yeah. Pero otra vez, yo te quiero ver cerca de mí, cerca de mí.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from OMGHerHair, and if you guys are interested in this wig, as usual, I'll have all the details, information, and links located in the info section below. So here is the wig that I picked up this time. I got this gorgeous Auburn colored curly, kind of like a 4A 4B type curl lace frontal wig, and this is what it looks like. My wig is 20 inches long, and I have to say that this wig is really long for a 20 inch, so you definitely get a lot for the money. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. It does have that 13 by 6 inch high definition lace. It has that removable adjustable elastic bands. Now, as usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received this wig. And y'all, look at this hairline. It already comes pre-plucked, ready to go. If you're a beginner, this is definitely the wig for you. You guys notice that the knots are already pre-bleached, so no work needs to be done there. Now I will co-wash this unit just because it did pick up a bit of frizz when it got shipped to me, but once again, this is what this wig looks like. Y'all, look at how long this wig is for 20 inch, and it really does remind me of my natural hair. It kind of has like that 4A 4B curly texture, but like I mentioned before, I am going to go ahead and co-wash this unit using my silicone mix. If you guys are interested in anything that I'm using throughout this video, please check the info section below. And if you guys are interested in this wig and you want to save some cash, be sure to use my discount code, which is Elise30, to save $30 when you spend $179 or more.
Si no es conmigo, yo solo quiero estar contigo.
So now that I've co-washed this unit, I'm now going to style up this unit and get it ready to wear. I'm first starting off with pulling out just a little bit of the baby hairs, and I was kind of contemplating on whether I wanted baby hairs or not. I ended up deciding on using them, but this is pretty much what I do to prep the hair to be worn. Now I am gonna kind of do a bit of like a mock wash and go, just because this wig reminded me so much of my hair, and I just kind of wanted to really go in and play with it. So right now I'm just laying the front perimeter of the hair, and I'm going to go ahead and get that laid by using this elastic band. Then I'm just going to douse this wig using a spray bottle of some water. Then I'm going to follow up with a little bit of my Cream of Nature's foaming wrap mousse. And I'm just sort of individually grabbing clumps of curls and then just shingling them or kind of running them within my fingertips to kind of give it like that wash and go appearance. I really don't think that this wig needs it because it just naturally looks like that. But just in case you do pick up a little bit of frizz, this is a nice little quick hack in order to give you like that nice wash and go look. So I pretty much let the wig just sit on my canvas block and air dry. It took about 2 days to completely air dry. Now I did develop a bit of a cast on the hair, but if you just kind of run the hair within your fingertips, you can go ahead and break that off and the hair becomes very soft. This is what the front perimeter of the hairline looks like after I went and I laid it with my elastic band. Now I'm just going to go ahead and remove that excess lace from around the hairline. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on. Now this wig does have their new upgraded super fitted glueless wig cap, so you can definitely wear this wig without adhering it down, and it fits so snug and it's so comfortable. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and trim down my baby hairs and go ahead and get those laid. Now you do not have to wear baby hairs whatsoever. I actually think that this wig looks better without them. However, I do like to kind of wear them when it comes down to colored hair, just because I don't have any like redness on my brows, and so therefore I find that the baby hairs do kind of add a bit of a contrast. Now you do have an option to get the 4A/4B textured edges if you like those better. However, I just went ahead and made myself some baby hairs. Now I'm going in with this color conceal stick, and I'm just making dark roots just because I find that it adds a bit of a contrast that kind of looks good with my darker colored eyebrows. This is good for those of you guys who want to play around with color but you don't have a lick of color anywhere on you. This is definitely a nice little hack, and it also makes the parting space pop. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of powder just to further define that parting space. Now I'm just using a little bit of my got2b glued just to kind of prepare around the hairline and get that melted down, just because I do want to do a couple of different looks with this hair, but I don't need the lace to be lifting anytime soon. So I just went ahead and I applied a little bit of my got2b glued just around the very front of the hairline, and I allowed it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes or so. This is what the wig looks like now, y'all. You can stop right here if you want to, but I'm just going to go in with a white tooth comb just to kind of build up some volume and give this wig some structure. And you guys, get into this wig. Like the curls though, the curls are absolutely gorgeous. I can say that I have never ever had a wig like this ever before. It's super defined, and the color, it just, the way that the light hits this color is just like screams like fall time. You know, you're wearing your sweater, it's a little chilly outside, it's giving all kinds of looks, and I'm here for it. I love this little wash and go look, and I kind of wanted to build up some frizz, but this hair is super defined and no frizz is developing. It just looks super realistic and natural. You guys, look at that front perimeter of the hairline. It looks so good. It blends in perfectly with my skin tone. I didn't have to use any foundations or anything like that. This wig does have that invisible high definition lace. The knots are already bleached and invisible. Looks super clean around the hairline and works with all skin tones. You guys notice how movable the hair is and just how soft it is. Once you break off that cast that developed with the foaming wrap mousse, the hair is oh so soft, so movable. You can definitely play around with it, but like I mentioned before, I do want to give you guys a couple of different styling options. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in a half up, half down, just for those of you guys who want to see what this wig looks like going completely out of the face. I'm just going to use a little bit of hair just to cover up that elastic band, and this is the first look. So for the next look, I definitely wanted to utilize that deep parting space, so I decided to put this wig in a deep side part, and I'm just kind of brushing everything back and out of the face to kind of expose that natural looking hairline. And one thing that I noticed is that I'm kind of dealing with this hair in like a rough manner, and it's definitely not picking up any crazy frizz. It's not looking like I have to like douse it in any water to redefine the curls. It's actually looking better the more that I play around with it. Now this wig definitely is a grower, so if you're not into big huge hair, you're probably not gonna like this one, but for the most part this hair is gorgeous and I'm here for it. You guys do check out OMGHerHair. I will have all the details and links provided in the info section below. If you guys are interested in this wig, be sure to use my discount code, which is Elise30, to save $30 when you spend $179 or more. If you guys like this unit, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. This is definitely a gorgeous wig to pick up this fall. I think this wig would look cute with like a cozy little sweater and some cute little boots, y'all. I can't wait. I cannot wait, y'all. But once again, you guys do check out OMG Her Hair, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.